How to log into Walmart MasterCard account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in walmart.syf.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Walmart MasterCard account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your user ID. Then type in your password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option of Remember User ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Secure Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register and go through the process to create your account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into Walmart MasterCard account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.